again. Late as hell. It's alright though. Oh yeah, good. Get her out now. Probably get a little dark here in a few minutes, so this may be going off tonight. Give it some privacy here. Thought this was pretty cool here. Probably hard as hell to see right now. Artificial bat roost. They really do take care of this place pretty well. There's another road that goes up in the woods. People hunt out here and stuff all the time. It really is a great place to go. I'm honestly really surprised at how bright this looks on this camera, because to me, right now it looks fine. You know, I've not been recording just because I thought it was too dark, but because to me, it is decently dark, but on here it looks okay, so that's cool with me. We're walking up to the spot now. Or down, I guess. It's pretty crazy out here too. You can hear coyotes. I heard a pack of coyotes last time just going on and on. Zappa was kind of freaking out. I don't really think he knew how to take hearing all these animals and stuff and staying out here, because this is the first time he's ever done this, or that was. This is the second time I brought him out here, trying to get him used to it. Seems to really enjoy himself, so as you can tell, he's peed on everything every 5 foot down the path. So I'm sure if anybody needed to track us and had a dog or something, they could find us no problem. And we are here. It always kind of freaks me out the way these rocks are and stuff. Like, you get super close and once that crazy, it kind of worries me. We are here though. Here's where I'll set up. And these trees. String my hammock up there. The water's super high right now. Thirsty, buddy? I do love this place though. It's not supposed to rain tonight, but we'll find out, I guess, won't we? I'll try to start a fire real quick. Got my snoozer set up. Time to start on you. Well, as you can see, kind of got a fire going. It was going good a minute ago, and that's gone out. Trying to maneuver all. It's wet out here and it sucks. It's almost impossible to find anything that will burn at all. So there may not be much of a fire tonight, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep looking around. Hopefully the sand squinch or whatever keeps throwing rocks in the damn lake doesn't come out and eat me. Got her going a little bit. Not too shabby. I'll try to put this big log on here. Just hang it over here. There we go. Hopefully that doesn't put it all out. Jesus Christ. I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep pumping leaves and twigs into it. I'm not expecting anything crazy anyway. Well, now that we're all here, chilled out for a minute, and I've got a tick bit into my arm. Into the depths of hell you go. I don't know, man. Just thought I would prop the camera up and just kind of chill and say that, you know, I don't know if anybody's gonna watch this. I mean, obviously if I upload this, I'm gonna, I guess I would plan for, you know, maybe 1 or 2 people to see it. That's why I'd be uploading it, just in case somebody does see it, you know. Like I said earlier, this is kind of more like a therapeutic thing for me. I've always liked cameras and taking pictures and video and whatnot, but I've never like done any kind of vlogging stuff or any of that. Like, I don't think I'm necessarily trying to do that now, really. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like I said, it's nice to have something to keep your mind occupied and, you know, all that. Even though I'm not necessarily talking to anybody in particular, I'm still talking and it's getting stuff out of me, and maybe somebody will listen. Okay. So, I've been sitting here for a minute, just hanging out, you know, talking like I was a second ago. And the weirdest thing is happening. Like, I know I said something about the sand squinch a minute ago, and I was just just joking around. But dude, it's gotten to the point where it's really starting to freak me out. There is like, at first I thought it was just branches. A branch that fell from a tree. Okay? So, I heard like a really big splash in the water right over here. So I'm thinking, damn it. Sorry if I timed that right in the camera, I'm sure I did. Somehow I knocked it over. Hopefully I didn't screw it up. Anyway, what I was saying was, there is something, like, it sounds like branches hitting the water. The first time I heard it, I thought it was a branch. Okay, it kind of freaked me out because it was like out of nowhere, but other than that, I was like, it's a branch, there's a branch that fell. Well, it happened again, and it was like really loud, and it doesn't sound like a branch. You know, after hearing it the second time, I'm like, that doesn't sound like a branch. It sounds like a rock. And it's really fucking loud. And it's making me nervous because it's happened like 6 times now. And it's super loud. And it sounds like something is over there, or somebody is throwing rocks, like big rocks, as big as the size of like your head maybe. And it's scary. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what it could be, and so it's really making me nervous. Like, all the bugs are still going, you know, like, they're not being weird. I wish my fire would, like, stay going better. That would help, because I can't even see. Okay. So it's not happening much, but I'm still hearing sounds over there. I about said I hope it happens again, but because I would like to show that I'm not going crazy, but damn, it's freaking me out, man. Like, I don't know what could be making those sounds. It definitely could be a branch. It could be a branch falling. I'm not gonna say that it couldn't, because it definitely could. The problem with that is, it keeps happening over and over in like the same spot. You know, there's no explanation for that. Like, I'm racking my brain. I'm not the type of person to be all like, you know, it's just like, it's a Sasquatch. There's something out here, like, watch it. Dude, there's no reason for anybody to, there's nobody out here. There's boats going by and stuff, but you can't get out here except for this one way. When the lake is down, you can walk around the lake bank. But it's not. It's way up here. There's no way you can walk around the bank. The only way back here is the way I came in. You know, there was nobody up at the parking lot. Nobody's going to walk out here at this time of night. Like I said, it's like a 25-minute walk, and it's all up and down hills and stuff. Like, the only people that are going to come out here is somebody like me. There's nobody else out here. And this is, I mean, this kind of has me shook. Like, you know, I don't get like this, but this is freaky, man. The whole time I've talked about it, I haven't heard it happen again, so hopefully it just doesn't. I do keep hearing things, but from what I can tell, it's just the water. Splashing up against the rocks. What the? Do you hear that? See, man? There's some weird stuff going on out here right now. Well, that was weird. How they were all just like dead silent. I guess when the boat went by, man, pretty nuts. So I'm gonna stoke the flame a little bit. This thing, I don't know. It's not gonna go much more anyway, but as much as it will go, I don't know. Maybe it'll go for a little while longer. Probably not, because of how crappy it is. But if I can build something up here, I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not gonna complain because I'm glad I got any fire going at all. With how wet and scarce everything is out here, there's like nothing to build a fire with, even if it wasn't wet. But it's something. It worked. Wasn't necessarily trying to, like I said, build a bonfire or anything anyway. I just wanted a little something to chill next to for a minute, but I guess that's that. Haven't heard my friend anymore over here. Hopefully I don't. That'd be cool. I guess me and the old Zappa man, I don't know what he's staring at over here. Hopefully it's not a skunk. I guess we're gonna hit the hay. See you in the morning. Wow. Morning, buddy. Time to get some breakfast. Charge this thing a little. Jesus Christ. Like 50 ducks out here. Probably what I heard last night. Walking back up out of here. I'll see a little bit more today. But last night wasn't too bad, I guess. I think I'm about done with the hammock. I love that thing. In certain instances it's great. But here lately it's, I don't know, been a hassle for whatever reason. My back's been hurting more when I'm getting up out of it and stuff, or waking up in the morning. I don't know if it's just the way I'm sleeping or what, but I'm getting kind of old. The only problem is out here, that's the best way to do it, really. I mean, there's not really any kind of softer ground for a tent or anything. I mean, it's all kind of like this gravel. So, I don't know. Maybe if I threw this tarp down and footprint and then put my mat on top, it'd be alright. Better than I imagine, anyway. Probably give it a shot next time. Okay, so I thought I would pull this up real quick one more time because we're walking out of here. So, I was gonna show how this goes. And hopefully, there won't be anybody come down this trail because I'm weird about that crap. We'll see. Okay, so if you keep going up that way, it'll bring you out to that little spot I was talking about where you can kind of park. I don't know if that's the place I was saying I didn't want to leave my truck, but it's just right over that hill. There's the bike trail that goes down through there. And it cuts over this way. That's the way you get in here. Mainly for the bike trail, but telling you, it makes getting to that area a lot easier. And this wasn't here up until 3 years ago, maybe, something like that. They did a good job on these trails. I'll say that. And I think it was honestly a bunch of volunteers for the most part. Like I said, I've ridden them a couple times. Like, there's some pretty gnarly spots in here, and then a lot of chill spots too. But either way, it's a good ride. By the way, I'm sorry if this audio is crap. I don't have an external mic on this thing yet. Probably won't for a little while. I don't know, unless it just sucks that bad, then I'll just say screw it probably and drop a little on it. I'm sure my voice isn't the most appealing anyway, so what's it really matter? This way, buddy. Come here. Get out of the road. I definitely see some cars over here. I'll probably be ditching this. Guess we'll find out. Oh yeah. Alright guys. Peace out. Okay. So we're in here now. Figured I'd loop around and show you. That's the exit right there. Where he just came out of. They put those porta potties there. And there's the end of the trail. And you come out here. There's the campground. And right here is this pullover spot. So you can go through that gate right there and it'll end up right back where we were. Well, like I said, I don't really trust that. But that's about that. So I will see you later.